Hi Jam, hi Haz. What's going on over there?
Hi Al, I'm great. Luckily you are here.
Hello Al, I'm good. Oh yes. We are do some a little bit discussion about major histocompatibility complex class 1.
Sound is great. Could I join your discussion about major histocompatibility complex 1 ag processing and presentation?
Yes. Of course. So, maybe we can find some suitable place to do the discussion. Let's go. I think here is suitable for us to do the discussion, right?
Yeah. Since we have a whiteboard here, so it could be nice. I think I'm gonna go first for a little bit introduction of MHC Class 1. So, what is Major Histocompatibility Complex Class 1? Basically, MHC Class 1 is a diverse set of cell surface receptors expressed on all nucleated cells in the body, as well as platelets. In humans, MHC also has the name HLA, which are human leukocyte antigen, and these are three subtypes, HLA-A, HLA-B, and HLA-C. These molecules play a vital role in the immune system, recognizing self from non-self, presenting foreign antigens to other immune cells. HLA class 1 alleles are extremely polymorphic among the world population, which presents issues relating to human tissue transplants. I think I have done for the introduction part. So far, did you guys have any questions to ask? I am so happy to answer it. Yes, Jam?
I don't have any questions so far, but may I know what are the difference between MHC class 1 and 2? Maybe you can explain to us.
Great question. So basically, MHC class 1 molecules is present antigens to cytotoxic T cells with CD8 receptors, whereas MHC class 2 molecules present antigens to helper T cells with CD4 receptors. How about you, Haz? Did you have any questions to ask?
Yes. Since we know a little bit about MHC class 1 and 2 molecules, so could you please explain it to us about the structure that involves in MHC class 1 molecules?
MHC class 1 molecule are ternary complexes of the soluble serum protein beta-2 microglobulin, MHC heavy chain, and bound peptide. The first two domains alpha 1 and 2 of the heavy chain create the peptide binding cleft in the surface that contacts the T cell receptor. I think I have enough sharing for the introduction and the structure of MHC class 1 molecules. So now, maybe you guys can share the role of MHC class 1 molecules and how does their works?
Thank you so much, Al. Very good sharing on the introduction. So, may I continue the sharing with the role of MHC class 1 molecules and how does their works?
Yes, Jam. Why not?
Thank you so much. So, now we understand about the structure of it very well. Alright, now let's see the role of MHC class 1 ag processing and presentation. The MHC class 1 androgen presentation pathway plays an important role in alerting the immune system to virally infected cells. MHC class 1 molecules are expressed on the cell surface of all nucleated cells and present peptide fragments derived from intracellular proteins. These peptides are normally derived from the cell's own housekeeping proteins, but in a virally infected cells, peptides derived from viral protein may also be presented. Virus-specific cytotoxic T lymphocytes, CTL, monitor cell surface. MHC class 1 androgen presentation pathway plays in the detection of virally infected cells by CTLs. It is not surprising that many viruses have evolved proteins that interfere with this pathway.
Wow, Jam. Very good sharing.
Yes. Great sharing, Jam. So how does they works? Could you please explain it to us? Thank you.
Thank you so much. Here now I'm going to explain about how does MHC class 1 works. Class 1 MHC molecule bind peptides generated mainly from degradation of cytosolic proteins by the proteasome. The MHC1 peptide complex is then inserted via endoplasmic reticulum into the external plasma membrane of the cell. The epitope peptide is bound on extracellular parts of the class 1 MHC molecule. Thus, the function of the class 1 MHC is to display intracellular proteins to cytotoxic T cells. However, class MHC1 can also present peptides generated from exogenous proteins, in a process known as cross-presentation.
That was very good of explanation, Jam. Good job. So I think everything are explained for our discussion today. Let's make some of conclusion on it.
Yes, sure. You go for it, Haz.
Yes, so as a conclusion, the major histocompatibility complex class 1 antigen presentation pathway is critical in alerting the immune system to virally infected cells. All nucleated cells express MHC class I molecules, which contain peptide fragments derived from intracellular proteins.
I think that's all for today. Thank you so much everyone for your effort. See you next time. Bye.